Today, the Centers for Disease Control released new guidelines when it comes to wearing masks for people who are fully vaccinated.
President Biden speaking shortly after that new guidance was announced, saying Americans have made stunning progress, but we still have a lot of work to do over the next couple of months.
I urge all Americans, don't let up now. Keep following the guidance. Go get your vaccination now. It's free and it's convenient.
President Biden went on to say the goal is to still be able to celebrate Independence Day with friends and family, and that he'll have more on that goal coming up tomorrow. Well, the new mask guidance from the CDC opens up a lot of activities for fully vaccinated people.
The organization says folks can safely resume most activities outside without face coverings. News specialist Jed Bull spoke with an infectious disease doctor about this new incentive for folks to get the shot. Jed?
Yeah, Dave, more than half of all American adults have now had at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine. The CDC views this new mask guidance as a way of getting Americans back to a new normal while still being very cautious not to transmit the virus.
It's pretty simple. I would just caution folks to say, don't overthink it.
Bottom line, if you're fully vaccinated, you do not need to wear a mask outdoors anymore if you're hiking, biking, or just playing. The CDC still recommends masks at big outdoor events with strangers, like concerts and crowded sporting events, and in public spaces where they're still required. Dr. Todd Vento, an infectious diseases physician with Intermountain Healthcare, says it makes sense now because they know more about how the virus spreads.
They've done studies. They've looked at it better now. We have a lot better feel, we meaning public health entities, of where the risk is and how the virus particles spread indoors, outdoors, etc.
New data suggests that less than 10% of documented transmission has happened outside. Indoors, fully vaccinated people can safely get back to worship services, dining in, and exercise classes if they wear a mask.
For most of those activities, it looks like masking would be the safest thing to do, even having had the vaccination already.
But data on whether vaccinated people can spread infection to those who did not get their shots is limited, which is another incentive to get vaccinated.
Well, if you want to go indoors or you want to go outdoors in certain events, having a vaccine will make you safer.
Dr. Vento points out that social distancing is still better than wearing a mask in terms of preventing transmission of the disease. He says that if you find yourself in a situation where there are too many people and it doesn't feel safe, you can always put your mask back on. Guys?
Yeah, so don't throw them away just yet. Just keep them in case. Jed, thank you.